tatay mo yan eh. He's 80 years old. Sabi niya nga 84 siya. So it must have felt 4 years na siguro sa kanya doon na nasa loob siya ba? Hindi natin alam, di ba? So we try to insist na 80. Tapos sinasabi niya 84 daw siya. Nung una ko lang nakita because, you know, physically medyo nag-iba yung pumayat siya eh. Kasi walang tuyo. Walang tuyo. May bulat niya. Bulo mo, ano ba? You know, we're Filipinos eh. We want Filipino food. So pumayat. So, yun, medyo naapektuhan ako. But other than that, kasi may naniniwala ako na wala talagang kaso yung tatay ko.
Yes, kasama ko.
So I know na sooner or later he's going out. He has to go out. Wala man silang, tama mo yung sinabi niya. Wala silang reason to keep him there. Kasi yung apprehension pa lang sa kanya, illegal yun. Everybody saw it. Not only the Philippines, but the entire world saw it. There's evidence.